In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remove and re-add your Yahoo Mail account on your iPhone. This is a great way to troubleshoot synchronization issues or simply refresh your email setup. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First things first, you'll want to open the Settings app on your iPhone. If you're not sure where it is, look for the gray icon with gears. It's typically among your home screen apps or within a folder labeled Utilities. Once you have it open, let's move on to the next step. Next, with your Settings app open, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you find Mail. Tap on that to access your Mail settings. This section is where you manage all your email accounts and preferences on your device. Once you're in the Mail section, look for the option labeled Accounts. It's here you'll see a list of all the email accounts currently linked to your Mail app. Go ahead and tap on Accounts. Now let's focus on your Yahoo Mail account. It's likely one of several accounts you see listed here. Tap on Yahoo. This action will bring you to a screen showing your Yahoo Mail account details and options available for managing this particular account. At this point, we're getting closer to our goal. You'll want to scroll down to find where it says Delete Account. Tap on that option once you see it. But don't worry, this is a necessary step to troubleshoot as we'll be re-adding it right away. Once you hit Delete Account, your device will ask for confirmation because it's important you don't accidentally remove something unintentionally. Go ahead and tap Delete from your device's name. This is your confirmation step. This action will remove your Yahoo Mail account from the device. With the old account removed, it's time to add it back, which is a crucial part of renewing whatever might have been malfunctioning. Navigate back to the main account screen within the Mail settings. Look for and tap on the option that says Add Account. Here, you will see various email providers listed. Select Yahoo from this list as it is the service we're focused on. This will initiate the setup process for adding a Yahoo account back onto your device. You'll be prompted now to log in with your Yahoo credentials. Carefully enter your Yahoo username followed by your password. Make sure all login details are correct to avoid any hiccups. After entering these, follow any additional prompts that guide you through the authentication process. Once you've successfully logged in and followed the prompts, your Yahoo Mail account will be reconnected to your device. You should now have the refreshed connection you were looking for. And that's it. You've efficiently re-added your Yahoo Mail account on your iPhone. This should ideally resolve any issues you were experiencing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.